going to be teaching you a really fun basic routine to Little Shop of Horrors. We're going to start with a bevel. Now a bevel is where you put your feet together, you bring one foot onto a demi-point to here, and then if you're comfortable doing it, you're just going to pop the ankle in slightly and you're going to almost cross those legs, okay? Hands flat, in against the side, shoulders back and down, head lifted, okay? So we're going to step forward. Step, lift, step, lift, step, oh, flick out to the side without a wobble, step, flick. Now this knee will be bent and this one will be straight. So that goes, step, lift, step, lift, step, flick. Now we take a pas de bourree, pas de bourree. So that goes from here, behind, to the side, to the front. Now, we're going to do all of that, but this time we're going to do the step lifts on a demi-point. Now you can take the demi-point out if you're not comfortable doing that yet, but if you can, get up there, use those tummy muscles, okay? So we go. Step, lift, step, lift, step, flick, pas de bourree. From here, we're going to do almost like a hop drag, but we're just going to do a little step drag together, lift drag together, okay? So we've got and step, lift, step, flick, pas de bourree, lift drag together, lift drag together, okay? Da, 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 da. Now, as you get more confident, you can turn that into a hop, and then you can add a ball change in. So you can go hop, slide, back, front, hop, slide, back, front. Putting that all together. We go. Step, lift, step, flick, pas de bourree, and slide. Back, front, and slide. Back, front. Okay, so one more time, that goes step, lift, step, flick, back, side, front, slide, ball change, slide, ball change. So from here, what we're going to do is we go step, lift, step, lift, step, okay? So nice and simply, we step, one, lift, step, two, lift, step. Now we're going to make that look a little bit more stylish. So we're going to step onto your foot and we go step. Now as we lift our foot up, we're going to pivot on the ball of this foot. We're going to bend our knee and we're going to bring this foot up to the knee, but we keep our body facing the front. So we go step, pivot, and the arms go straight out to the side. So we go step, pivot. Now keep the body facing this way, where the hips are facing this way, and do your two steps. Step. Now we're going to switch and go the other way. So we go twist, up, step. Okay? So without the pivot, it goes step, lift, step, lift, step. Now with the pivot, we go step, lift, step, lift, step. Now as you get comfortable with that, we're going to add a little bit of a hip into it as well. So we go step, lift, step, lift, step. Now there we've got a little shunt across the floor. So our foot is doing a little slide. So we go step, slide, step, slide. Now we're only going to add these in if you've got a suitable floor. If you're on a sort of floor where your foot's going to stick to it, you don't want to risk twisting the ankle or hurting the knee. So you're only going to do that if the floor that you're dancing on allows that, okay? If not, you can just lift and lift. Now I find just by lifting the chin that tiny bit, just gives it a little bit more. So we go from the beginning, in, step, lift, step, flick, pas de bourree and slide, back, front and slide, back, front, step, lift, and step, lift. Okay, let's try that with the music. From there, we've just done our step. We've just finished here. We're going to step out on our foot and we go out, out, in, out, out, in. And again, out, out, in, out, out, in. Now we take it out with our arm. Out. Elbow in, hand out, hitting, bang. And the other one, out. Now we switch the arm and bring it in, so the elbow goes out. We go in, out, in. Nice and strong. And again, out, in, out, in. Now we're going to do that on a demi-point with bent knees. So we go out, in, out, in. So we're leaning into that. We go out, in, out, in. Now if you can, as you step out, you're going to bring your hips forwards, and as you step back, you're going to bring your hips back. Okay, so we go out, and in. Okay? So from step, lift, we go step, lift, and step, lift, and out, in, out, in. Now finishing off the phrase, we're going to do step ball changes. Now if you're not quite sure what a step ball change is, go back to those courses and go over the core steps. A step ball change goes step, 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 step. You're going to be on the ball of your foot, so you're not on a flat foot, you're on your toes. Okay, so you're going, you don't want to do it that heavy. You're going to go back, step, ball change, step, step, ball change, step, ball change. Now adding the style onto this, what we're going to do is we're really going to lift that leg up. So you have to point your toe and touch your knee, almost like you're trying to kick your bottom. So you're going to go up, step, ball change, up, step, ball change, up, step, ball change, up, step, ball change. And the arms are going to be elbows in, like this, and you're going to press down. So you go and down, and down, and down, and down. Okay? Really point those toes. So we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now that's exaggerated. It's quite fast, so it's going to be bounce, bounce, bounce. The emphasis is going to be down, down. Okay, so we go and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So from here we go out, out, in, out, in, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now there's going to be a little hop on that. If the hop throws you, keep it out, but it helps me. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, don't go up and down. You want to keep that level as much as you can. Here we go from the beginning. We go. Step, lift, step, out, back, side, front and slide. Back, front and slide. Back, front, step, lift, step, 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 lift, step, step, out, out, in, out, in, together with the music. So we're coming up to the last little bit now. Okay, you've done really well, keep up with me. We've just finished step ball change. We're going to step onto our foot and we're going to leave this one behind. So we're going to go step, lift, step, step. And we're going to keep our weight onto this foot. So we've gone step, lift. Now this is in a mini attitude position. So an attitude position is if you just put your foot behind you, point your toe, bend your knee, and then we're just going to turn it out slightly and lift it up, okay? So we go lift, step, step, and again, lift, step, step. And you want to make this as smooth as possible. So from here we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And the arms, we go, starting over here, we're going to bring the arms over to this side, lift, step across, and as we go over onto this foot, switch the arms with it, okay? And you can give a little hip switch there as well. So we go over, step, hit. Now this is bent here, straight here, but slightly bent. Now we do a step, turn, step. Step, turn, step. And you can end there however you like, because that is the end of that part of the routine. So that last bit goes over, step, hit, step, turn, step. Finish however you want. Let's add that on from this bit, step, step. We're going to step out, 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 in, out, in, and step and change, step and change, step and change, step and change, over, step, flick, step, turn, finish. Should we try it all together with the music? Tutorial. If you've enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to be the first to know when we add our next course.
Look out, run away.